Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanner for your car, the Topdon TopScan Lite. If you're looking to diagnose your vehicle quickly and easily using just your smartphone, you're going to love what this tool can do. So stay with us for all the details. Let's get started. Product features. Wide vehicle compatibility. This scanner supports over 60 car brands, including vehicles from America, Asia, and Europe. Whether you drive a Ford, Toyota, BMW, or Honda, this tool has you covered. It's perfect for users who own multiple vehicles or work on different makes and models. Comprehensive diagnostics. The TopScan Lite doesn't just check engine codes. It gives you a full system scan, covering critical areas like the engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, and more. That means you get a complete view of your vehicle's health, not just a small piece of the puzzle. Advanced functions. What sets the TopScan Lite apart is its bidirectional control. This means you can actively test parts like fuel injectors, cooling fans, or windshield wipers right from the app. It's a professional-level feature that helps you pinpoint problems more accurately. DTC Repair Guide. One of the best features is the built-in DTC Repair Guide. It explains each fault code in detail and gives you step-by-step repair suggestions, which is a huge help for beginners and home mechanics. 8 reset functions. The scanner also comes with 8 essential reset features, including oil reset, EPB reset, and DPF regeneration. These help you handle regular maintenance without always needing a trip to the mechanic. Repair Data Library. There's also a repair knowledge base built right into the app. It includes technical bulletins, warning light meanings, and even DLC locations. It's like having a mini repair manual on your phone. Portability and ease of use. This scanner is pocket-sized, lightweight, and works wirelessly via Bluetooth. Setup is easy. Just plug it in, connect via the app, and you're ready to scan. The app is designed to be intuitive, making it suitable for beginners and pros alike. Pros. Supports 60-plus vehicle brands, ideal for various users. Full system diagnosis, not just engine codes. Advanced bidirectional testing improves fault detection. DTC Repair Guide helps beginners understand and fix problems. 8 reset features make it a valuable maintenance tool. Built-in repair library adds extra support and info. Compact and wireless, great for portability. Free OBD2 testing modes offer full functionality at no extra cost. Simple app interface makes operation quick and easy. Cons. This scanner requires a smartphone to operate, so it's not a standalone device. Some advanced features may not be supported on every vehicle model. There is no printed manual in the box, so new users must rely entirely on the app interface. Final thoughts. The Topdon TopScan Lite Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner is a powerful and portable tool that fits perfectly into any vehicle maintenance kit. It delivers full system diagnostics, advanced testing, and pro-level features straight to your smartphone. Whether you're a DIYer, car enthusiast, or just want to skip mechanic visits, it helps you manage car issues with ease. With wide compatibility, a simple app, and no hidden fees, it's ideal for both beginners and pros, offering great value and convenience. If you're interested, make sure to check the price link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Best Product, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a helpful tech review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.